So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to verify with RoVer Discord bot and how to join Roblox Discord servers. So how to do this, let's get started. First, what you need to do is open your Google Chrome or any web browser you like and then search for rover.link. Once you do this, just click on sign in and then click on login with Discord. After this, enter your account details and then just click on authorize, and in here you have to click on every single tab to turn them green, and once all of them are green you have to click on continue and then click on login with Roblox and enter your account, and then click on continue again and then click on confirm and give access, then click on update my roles in a server. Now just select the server you want to be verified in and then go back to the server and Discord and then just click on this button which says I've linked my account, and then click on update my roles, and as you can see it says update complete. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.